Now we are going to start with the next topic, that is economic activities. So what are the economic activities? The activities which are based on the type of occupations which is carried out in a particular country are considered as economic activity. So economic activity can be the activities based on some common occupation, and it can be the activity which is based on some professional occupation also. So it is well categorized into three or four categories, but the main three categories are primary, secondary, and tertiary activities. Let us study all these activities. Firstly, we'll study with the economic activities, and then we'll study with the types of economic activities. Economic activities along with its definition. So in the figure you can see the economic activity is giving us the production. It is also giving us the consumption, distribution, investment, and exchange. So all these factors are coming under the economic activities. Economic activity is the process by which the stock of resources or the stock of capital produces a flow of output of goods and services that people utilize in partial satisfaction of their unlimited wants. So whatever resources are there, that type of resources are used to produce some capital, or whatever goods and services which we give, they are utilized by the people for their needs or to satisfy their wants, comes under economic activity. This process involves not only the production of goods and services but their distribution among the various members of the community. So it not only gives the production of goods and services but also it distributes those goods and services throughout the people, throughout the community. The activity of producing, buying, or selling a product or services comes under economic activities. So, whenever a product is made, then it is produced, then the buying is done, then the selling is done, or some service is given against that product. All these things comes under economic activity. So once again, I'll tell you all the activities such as production of the product, consumption of the product, distributing the product, or making investment on certain product, or exchanging the services. All these activities comes under economic activities main aim. So what is the main aim of economic activity? Is to produce goods and services and to make them available to the consumer. So who are the consumer? The consumer are the people who are going to consume the products. They are going to consume the resources. So making the goods, the resources available for the consumer is the main aim of the economic activity. All the activities which perform in exchange of money or things of value are economic activity. So all the activities which makes the exchange of money which is used for the commercial purpose or the things of values comes under economic activity. Put simply, economic activities are those which we undertake to earn income, money or wealth. So all the activities which helps you to earn economy, that is currency, that is wealth or income or money, is called as economic activity. GDP is the sum of every economic activity in a country. So every year on the annual basis, the GDP of every country is calculated. So why it is calculated? To see the economic status of that country. By calculation of GDP, we can understand what is the economic status of our country in the present year or in the past year. So whether it is developing or it is less than the past year, we can understand. GDP stands for gross domestic product. It tells us whether the economic activity has increased, whether it has declined, or whether it has remained flat or remained stable. In the figure, you can see the economic activity is basically distributed, or its type is primary, secondary, and tertiary. So, what comes under primary is agriculture, hunting, farming, fishing, forestry. In the secondary industries, manufacturing units, hydroelectricity, that are the industries. In the tertiary, all type of services, trade and commerce, transport and communication. So all these things we'll study later in detail. Economic activities concept. Economic activities, the primary activity is related totally on agriculture, and the secondary activity is related totally on the manufacturing of industries, whereas the tertiary activity is totally related to the trade and services. Economic activity is the activity of making, providing, purchasing or selling goods and services. Any action that involves producing, distribution and consuming the product or services comes under economic activity. Whenever there is the question of gaining the income, gaining money, that time we say it is an economic activity. It has the functions like production, manufacturing, selling, buying, distributing, exchanging. All these activities comes under economic activity. Economic activity exists at all the levels within the society. Any activity involving money or exchange of products or services are economic activity. Running a small business is a great example of economic activity. So any type of small business or any type of small service, when we exchange, that time we exchange it by the help of money. If you're obtaining some service from some person, you are paying him in return. If you're going in some hospital, you tell the doctor about your problems. The doctor is treating you, he is giving you the service, and in return you give him the money, you give him the currency. So that is also called as an economic activity. Economic activities with example. So what are the examples? It is totally dependent on the how we earn the money. So in the figure you can see you have the hoteling, you have the clinic figure, you have a desktop, you have different images which show you different types of occupations. You have some restaurant signs. Generally, people engage themselves in such activities on regular basis that are engaged in their occupation. The occupation means what? Keeping oneself engaged or occupied in some gainful economic activity on regular basis to earn his livelihood. So what is the definition of occupation? Occupation means what? When a person is performing some task every day on the regular basis. Why? To earn some money, to earn his own livelihood. That is called as occupation. So what are the different examples of economic activity? A doctor treating a patient, a lawyer providing legal services, workers work in offices and factories, teachers teach in schools and colleges, shopkeepers buy and sell goods to earn their livelihood. So all these are different types of occupation in different sectors, but all of them comes under economic activities. Now, what are the classification of economic activity? We have already studied the definition, we have studied the main aim, we have studied the few examples. Now we'll study the classification. It is classified into four types. First is primary sector. It includes the raw material. The primary activities, which includes the production of basic foods or raw materials. The activities includes agriculture, forestry, fishing. So all the things which revolve under around the agriculture comes under the primary sector. Second is secondary sector, which includes industry and manufacturing. So in the secondary sector, it is totally related to the manufacturing of raw materials and products. It is known as processing of raw materials. All industries falls in this category. So whenever a raw material is processed and it is turned into finished good, this type of work is considered as secondary occupation. Tertiary sector, it is a service which we provide. So this includes all the services of the service sector. It includes the economy that provides services to its consumers, including a wide range of business. So, any type of business in which we provide any type of service to the consumer, and in return, when we earn the money, then we call it as tertiary sector. Now, quaternary sector is considered as knowledgeable sector. In this sector, the knowledgeable based part of an economy includes knowledge oriented economic sector, that is IT, which is information technology, media, research and development, information based services, information generation, information sharing and knowledge based. So this type of sector is totally based on the knowledge. Thank you. I hope you have understood the economic activities. Please subscribe the channel.